Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to be making a really simple, beautiful mushroom curry with a bit of coconut. So I'm starting mine off with some coconut oil. You could use a different oil if you want. We're going to melt that down and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're on an above medium heat. Just let the cumin seeds do their thing in the oil. They'll infuse the oil and give it a beautiful, beautiful flavour. Then we're going to add 1 cup of onion. Now I've cut my onion really small. You can slice it if you want, that's up to you. So just let that go for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're now going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. And then fresh chilli. I mean, the amount of fresh chilli is entirely up to you. Let's give that a little mix. Let that go for another 2 to 3 minutes. So here we go. We've got a teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin powder. Always call that the big 4. Anyway, in they go. Little mix around there. Then I've got 2 cups of tomato. Cut them really small. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato if you can. We're going to cook this. Kind of want it to cook down a little bit, you know. It's going to be part of our sauce. So just as the tomatoes start to mush slightly, we're going to go with 3 cups of mushrooms. That's about 250 grams in total. You can see how I've cut mine, fairly chunky. Again, cut it nice and thin if you want, into slices. And we're going to go for another 4 minutes. You might get some moisture from the mushrooms depending on the type that you've used. Excellent. Here we go. We've got 1 cup of coconut milk. That's going to mix in with the tomato and create a beautiful masala. So just let that go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Check it for salt. We're going to add a little bit, like half a cup of coriander or cilantro. Mix, job done. It's beautiful. Vegan, vegetarian, spicy and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now please don't forget, if you like what you see, to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Also leave us a comment. See you later.